फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि साहिबा ने न्यूज़ पर देखा और हमने पढ़ा और सुना, cervical cancer is kind of cancer that happens in the cervix, which is the lower part of the uterus. आज हम इसी टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं। इसी टॉपिक पे बात करने के लिए हम अपने शो में बुला रहे हैं डॉक्टर सारिका गुप्ता, सीनियर कंसल्टेंट गायनी ऑन्कोलॉजी, राजीव गांधी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कैंसर। लेट्स वेलकम मैम टू आवर शो। Welcome to our show, ma'am. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Let's also welcome little junior Laksh Aneja, who is just 8 years old and an abacus prodigy. He's a student of Prerna Convent School. Let's welcome Laksh to our show. Hi.
Hi.
Please have a seat, Laksh.
Thank you, ma'am.
प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाने से पहले देख लेते हैं एक शॉर्ट फिल्म। मैम, जो हमने ये शॉर्ट फिल्म देखी है, मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि किस एज से ये बच्चे को इफेक्ट करती है।
जो सर्विक्स कैंसर है वो ज़्यादातर लड़कियों को या महिलाओं को सेक्सुअल एक्टिविटी शुरू होने के बाद होता है। तो इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर किसी भी लड़की की सेक्सुअल एक्टिविटी 15 वर्ष पे शुरू हो रही है तो उसके बाद उसका HPV के इन्फेक्शन का रिस्क हो जाता है और आगे सर्विक्स कैंसर का रिस्क बन जाता है। तो जिस समय पे अगर जल्दी स्टार्ट हो रही है तो सर्विक्स कैंसर के होने का जो रिस्क है वो उतनी ही जल्दी बन जाता है।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारे शो में हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं सर्वोदय कन्या विद्यालय सेक्टर 1 पॉकेट 7 द्वारका के स्टूडेंट्स और वो हमारे एक्सपर्ट से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे। कैन आई हैव द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज?
Good morning all of you. I am Anjali and my question is, what is cervical cancer?
So Anjali, cervical cancer is cancer of the cervix. And what is cancer? Cancer is uncontrollable multiplication of the cells which later form tumor. So cervical cancer is when tumor is formed in the cervix.
Thank you, ma'am.
Friends, can I have the next question please?
Good morning all of you. My name is Falak Firdos and my question is, what is HPV and how can we get it?
So Firdaus, HPV is a virus. What is a virus? Virus are microscopic organisms which cause infection of the different organs of the body. So you all know the viruses which are infecting our throat and lung. Like the COVID, you know that it infected the lungs of the body. And human papilloma virus is a very common virus that infects the genitals or the reproductive organs. So human papilloma virus is a sexually transmitted virus which is actually transmitted, spread by sexual contact.
Thank you, ma'am.
Friends, you can now ask your next question.
I am Alfia Fatima. I wanna know what is cervix and where is located in a body.
So everybody, I think all girls here should know that about our reproductive organs. So our reproductive organs include the uterus, cervix, vagina and the ovaries. So I have a model here showing this is the uterus, this is the mouth of the uterus which is called the cervix, this is the vagina and it opens outside, so this is where we pee, this is the external, after this is the external area. These are the two ovaries which are producing the hormones in the body, and today we are talking about cervix cancer which is the mouth of the womb. So this is the uterus is the womb where the baby develops. So all of us have it, and this is because of the ovaries and uterus we are having regular periods.
Thank you, ma'am.
फ्रेंड्स, अब आप अपना अगला क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं।
My name is Kumkum. My question is, what are the symptoms of cervical cancer? How can we know that we are suffering from cervical cancer?
All the girls in the reproductive time, that is the periods usually start at the age of 13 years and they stop at the age close to 50 years. So after 50 years there are no periods, called menopause. So till that time for so many years we have a regular menstrual cycle every 28 to 35 days, so it can be between this. But if the periods are irregular, that is they are coming very early, every 10 days 15 days, period spotting or bleeding is happening in between the periods, there is foul smelling and very gross amount of vaginal discharge or any bleeding after sexual activity, these are the symptoms of cervix cancer.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, I would like to ask you, how can we treat cervical cancer and what are the side effects?
So treatment of cervical cancer depends upon the stage. And what is the stage? Stage is that extent of spread of the cancer. So as per the stage we treat it. So if it is early stage, we remove the tumor or the cancer. So we can remove it by removing the complete uterus and the adjacent area. And then if it is advanced, then we give radiation therapy. Radiation therapy is high energy X-ray type of beams where we can project it into the tumor and it kills the tumor cell. Another thing which can be done is chemotherapy, and it is a type of medicine which kills cancer.
Thank you so much for the answer, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to ask you, has our government implemented any special measures to ensure vaccination for young girls?
Recently, the government has launched a new program where vaccine is to be given free of cost to girls between 9 to 14 years. So it is a very good opportunity for the girls to prevent cervix cancer.
Thank you so much for the information, ma'am.
Can we please have the next question?
My name is Pragya Maurya. I want to ask that how can I prevent cervical cancer?
Everybody should be aware that cervix cancer is a completely preventable cancer. So it can be 100% prevented, and we can completely eliminate cervix cancer as other countries have eliminated. So how can we prevent? We can prevent cervix cancer by taking the human papillomavirus vaccine. So every girl should take it between 9 to 14 years of age. One dose is sufficient. One injection or a vaccine is given in the deltoid, and just one dose is sufficient. And later on we can do some other measures also to prevent or detect cervix cancer at an early time.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I have a question for you, that what is pap smear?
So pap smear is scraping cytology of the cervix. So what we do, a gynecologist, she examines you, she visualizes the cervix and then scrapes the cells from the surface of the cervix, and then we see the cells inside the microscope. So early changes of cancer we can see in the microscope, and we can tell whether this lady has a high risk of development of cervix cancer, and we can treat it even before development of cervix cancer. So that means that if we are doing it regularly, then we can even prevent cancer from happening. So this pap smear should be done with every girl after the age of 25 and every 3 year apart.
Thank you so much for the information, ma'am.
Friends, अब आप अपना अगला क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं.
My name is Palak Pandey. Is there any side effect of vaccine?
That vaccine that we are saying that every girl should get a vaccine. So everybody is scared that maybe it will cause side effects and how the experience will be. So see, it usually doesn't cause any big side effect. The very small minor side effects can be that you might feel with any injection. If the girls or anybody is getting the injection, you might feel dizzy. So this is a common side effect which happens to when we get any injection. So dizziness can happen. Second thing is that you might feel nauseous, or you might develop a little bit of swelling or redness at the deltoid area. So these are the only side effect, common side effect. There is no big side effect, and so there are many myths associated with it, but there are no big side effects of HPV vaccine. All the girls should get the HPV vaccine.
Thank you, doctor.
Can we please have the next question?
Myself Anjali, and my question is, what is white discharge?
So very good question. Actually, we were talking about symptoms of cervix cancer, and how to know what is abnormal discharge from the vagina is very important. So every girl, this discharge from the vagina depends upon the hormonal milieu, or it depends upon the cycle of our cycle, menstrual cycle. So at the time of ovulation, means in the mid cycle, we have a little liquidy discharge, then it becomes little thicker and little whitish also, and every girl can see a little drop of discharge in their panty if in a 24-hour period. Everybody sees it, and that is normal discharge. Every woman or a girl who is having their periods will have some amount of discharge, because God has wants to keep that area moist and lubricated. So that is normal. What is abnormal? Abnormal is when the discharge is too much, means your panty is getting wet, or it is causing itching in the area. You are having itching in the area, or it is foul smelling, or it is greenish color, or other too much milky discharge. So if it is too much, causing very foul smelling, means odor is there, you feel that your panty is smelling, then it is abnormal, and that time you should go to the doctor.
Thank you, ma'am.
आपने हमें और हमारे व्यूअर्स को इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन दी, सर्विकल कैंसर और HPV वैक्सीनेशन के बारे में बताया. Thank you so much. Cancer is a preventable disease. While it's a serious health concern, the good news is with HPV vaccination, regular screening and testing, it can be prevented and controlled.
और अगर ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो अपना ख्याल ज़रूर रखिएगा और अपने पेरेंट्स और डॉक्टर को ज़रूर बताइएगा, क्योंकि यही लोग हैं जो आपकी बीमारी का सलूशन निकालेंगे और आपका साथ भी देंगे.
Cervical